Okay, folks, we're flight testing the new NAV light equipped helipad. Here we go. All right, folks, the helipad here is very, very slippery. Very slippery. I haven't figured out what to do about that yet, but I'll figure something out. And so, it's hard for me to get keep it straight and stuff like that. But anyways, you can see the helipad, the night ops helipad certainly works. Now, it's not completely dark because I wanted to be able to see the helicopter somewhat. You know what I mean? That's what we got going on here. Okay, so the green light and the flashing clear lights, the clear strobes, those go to the front of the helipad. And the solid red light at the tail end of the helipad, along with the flashing red lights at the tail end of the helipad, that shows that's the tail end. And then we orient the front of the helipad into the wind. Yes, we do. Kind of looks like Christmas, doesn't it? The helipad and the helicopter both have red and green lights and some white ones too. All right. And as I like to do right now, we're doing the beauty shot where she's still spinning while we look at how cool the V950 is. And now she got full on night ops helipad. Ooh-wee, look at these landing lights on here, folks. These lights are bright on both the helipad and on the copter. Yeah, look at those landing lights, man. Dead center screen, the landing lights are shining on the bottom of the helipad there. Ain't that something? Alright, folks. Gonna shut this girl down here. That's fun, y'all. Oh, that's fun. Alright. Let me come over here to my transmitter and shut this girl down. Oh, that was fun, folks. Awful lot of fun. There she is, folks. $150. $150 from one of the sellers on Amazon. You gotta look for it. WL Toys V950, 200 size helicopter, collective pitch, 6G stability if you want it. And it is a superb helicopter. I love it. I put nav lights on the Copter, and I put nav lights on the throttle cut on. Yeah, put nav lights on the helipad, as you can see. I also put what I'm calling skid skis, which is a ski attachment. You can just see it there. It's clear. It's a skid attachment that allows you to set the helicopter down in the snow without sinking down to below your tail rotor. And so actually, I set it on the crooked part of the snow. Let's do this again. There we go. It's a little bit downhill here, but you set it on the snow like that. I mean, you take up from the snow like it is now. It's hard to see the snow skis. You can see them skid skis. See right there? It's clear. It's clear and extends from there. That's like a snowshoe for your skis, for your skids. They're skid skis, which is like snowshoes for your skids. Don't you look badass in the snow? Oh my gosh. With the lights. Oh man. Like I said, it looks like Christmas around here between the helicopter and the helipad. But now, folks, I can fly in the complete darkness of night, which this was not, but I can. See that? She's on the skid skis. She doesn't sink down. Otherwise, she would sink way down. And then there's the landing pad by itself. See that? Yep. Front of the helipad into the wind. Back of the helipad, opposite direction. All right, folks. So there we have it. I guess we'll just close with this shot here. Now we'll put her back on the. We'll put her back on the helipad. All right, folks. Well, pun intended. That was a helly of a lot of fun. That was a helly of a lot of fun. And as always, this helicopter was superb, sensational, and wonderful. Look at that. It's a cross between Christmas and a disco lighting here. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Folks, I'm having so much fun with this helicopter. The nav lights, I love them. 15 bucks. You can go on my channel and learn more about that, including how I installed them. Then I use the same lights for the helipad. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Oh, by the way, this video is in honor of my late dog, Jimmy, my buddy boy, Jimmy. We were together, we knew each other 14 years, and we spent the last 8 years together 24/7. So this is in honor of him, and it's also in honor of a new dog that I just adopted, who was in a hoarding situation, and he had never known love in his life. Nobody had ever petted him. Well, we're together now. His name is Buddy, so you'll be seeing Buddy frequently. Thanks for watching. Signing off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.